Hello and welcome everyone. Let me ask you, if you are a software engineer or if you're anyone working in the IT industry, do you know about the great resignation movement? Have you recently looked at your job and thought, wow, I thought things would be different. I thought things would be better in the IT industry compared to other industries. And then you think, what if I quit my job today? Well, if you are thinking of quitting, then you are not alone. But when you are thinking of quitting a job, there is one challenge each one of us is facing right now. And I will talk about this one challenge of changing jobs in this video. But before that, we need to understand the great resignation. Before we move forward, if you are watching this channel for the first time, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings by Amit. Subscribe to this channel if you want to take your career in the IT industry from where it is today to an epic level of success. Because on this channel, I share ideas, insights, tools, and tactics to grow in your career 2 times to 4 times faster than you think possible. So, subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the updates. Look, if you are thinking of quitting your job, then you are not alone. There is a phenomenon called the great resignation that is happening right now as we speak. According to a recent survey by Microsoft, 41% of employees are thinking of leaving their company in this year 2021. Please understand, they are thinking, they have not left. But a big 41% employees want to leave their current job. This is not just employees in Microsoft. This is also not just employees within the IT industry. This is employees across the world who are working in some kind of a 9 to 5 job. Every industry in every field is struggling with the great resignation movement, where people either want to leave their jobs or they have already resigned from their current jobs. 41% of the workforce across the world are thinking about quitting their current job to find a better job or to do something else. Why are they doing this? Because they are looking for better opportunities. They are looking for companies that will take care of them in every situation, even in a pandemic. This phenomena where most employees want to quit their job is dubbed as the great resignation. This has become a movement such that every company on the planet is struggling to keep their best talent. And on the other hand, they are scrambling to find good talent. And look, I already discussed this in the video about the talent war of 2021. Companies have already started thinking about their compensation packages, about benefits of working in the company, about flexibility of working from anywhere, and improving their environment as well as their work culture in a bid to attract the best talent in the industry. And the IT industry in India is not behind in this race of the great resignation. Hence, Digital reported that 1 million employees or 10 lakh people in the IT industry will potentially resign this year. And that in turn will result in increased hiring cost for the entire IT industry. According to a report, there is 12% attrition rate in the previous year while COVID-19 was in full swing. However, by the end of 2021, the IT sector might be looking at increased attrition of close to 22%. Few days back, a news article said that TCS lost more than 45,000 employees even during COVID-19, and the attrition rate of Cognizant is going to cross 31%, which is like losing 1 lakh employees in a year. Some of my friends from the IT industry said the same thing. They said that they are facing the same challenges of retaining their employees. So, before I reveal why this great resignation is happening, can you please go ahead and smash the like button, because the YouTube gods will love it when you smash that button, and they will share this video with the like minded people. Coming back to the great resignation, according to the CEO of Microsoft, Mr. Satya Nadella, he says that over the past year, no area has undergone more rapid transformation than the way we work. Employee expectations are changing, and we will need to define productivity much more broadly, inclusive of collaboration, learning, and well being to drive career advancement for every worker, including frontline and knowledge workers, as well as for new graduates and those who are in the workforce today. All this needs to be done with flexibility in when, where, and how people work. You can see from this statement that people are not just thinking about their career advancement, but they are also thinking about when, where, and how they will like to work. According to the Microsoft Trends report on the Great Resignation, these are the 7 trends that will shape the future of a hybrid world of work. The first trend is flexible work is here to stay. Employees want both best of both worlds. Over 70% of workers want flexible work options to continue, while 65% are craving for a more in-person time with their teams. The second trend is leaders are out of touch with employees and need a wake-up call. With remote work, there are fewer chances to ask employees, "How are you?" and then pick up on the important cues as they respond. And workers feel the disconnect. 37% of the global workforce says that companies are asking too much of them at a time like this. The third trend is high productivity is masking an exhausted workforce. 1 in 5 global survey respondents say their employer doesn't care about their work life balance. 54% feel overworked, 39% feel exhausted. The fourth trend is Gen Z is at risk and will need to be re energized. Gen Z, 60% of this generation, those between the ages of 18 and 25, say they are merely surviving or flat out struggling right now. The fifth trend is the sinking networks are endangering innovation. Companies became more siloed than they were before the pandemic. And while interactions with our close networks are still more frequent than they were before the pandemic, the trend shows even those close team interactions have started to diminish over time. Dr. Nancy, a senior principal researcher at Microsoft, thinks that when you lose connections, you stop innovating. It's harder for new ideas to get in, and groupthink becomes a serious possibility. The sixth trend is authenticity will spur productivity and well being. 1 in 5 have met their colleagues, pets, or families virtually. And as we clung to each other to get throughout the year, 1 in 6, 17% have cried with a colleague in this year. This number was even higher for those industries hit hardest during these times, like education 20%, travel and tourism 21%, healthcare 23%. The seventh trend is talent is everywhere in a hybrid work world. One of the brightest side of the shift to remote work is that it widens the talent marketplace. Remote job postings on LinkedIn increased more than 5 times during the pandemic, and people are taking notice. 46% of remote workers we surveyed are planning to move to a new location this year because they can now work remotely. People no longer have to leave their desk or house or community to expand their career, and will have a profound impact on the talent landscape. So, friends, these seven trends are very important, and every company, including Microsoft, is watching these seven trends very closely. Companies are already aware about this situation. They already have started thinking about raising their compensation, improving the salaries, improving working conditions, and providing flexibility at work. In a nutshell, companies have seriously started thinking about their employees and their well being as important as their project deliveries and product development. The great resignation is a scary situation for everyone and our economy, but this situation is the scariest situation even for a well established company. But this situation can be an opportunity for you if you are an employee. It does not matter whether you are planning to quit your job or not. So, there are three scenarios that are playing out in this great resignation situation. The first scenario is that people who are changing jobs. These are the people who have already resigned from their existing jobs because they already have a good offer in hand. And as we speak, there are people who are getting two offers and three offers, and sometimes even as far as five offers in hand. So they are milking this situation to find their dream job, something they always wanted to do. The second scenario is the people who are staying with their current job. You know, even if you don't leave your company is already thinking about raising their overall compensation and providing adequate benefits to every employee who remains within the company, because they want to hold on to you, and your loyalty towards the company is going to help you. So, if you are a good employee, then there are lots of benefits coming to you, and one of them is going to be increase in your salary. That means in both the scenarios, whether you are changing a job or you are staying at the current job, there are chances that this great resignation movement is going to help you financially. You will get that salary increase or promotion that you have been longing for quite some time. Let me know in the comments if your company has given you a salary raise or bonus in the recent times, and how much was it in percentage. See, please don't disclose your actual salary or name of the company because that is not important. We talked about two scenarios, but there is a third scenario: the people who want to quit but cannot quit. These are the people who want to change their job but are facing this one challenge. Friends, in the beginning of this video, I said that there is one challenge for some people who want to quit their job right now to find a better job. And that challenge is, how do you find a better job? A job which is better than your existing job, a job with an increased salary, with better benefits, a job where your skills are going to be valuable, a job where you are going to grow really fast, and the most important, stability. A job where you know that you do not have to worry about losing your job in a short time. Well, job search is one of the biggest challenges we are facing in today's time because of technology. Today, it is easy to find out which company is looking for employees, but it is very difficult to get selected because for every position that is publicly available, there are more than 400 to 500 applications within a few days, and sometimes within just few hours. So if you don't know how to get shortlisted or how to get the technical interview stages, then it is not possible to find a better job than your current job. This is the number one challenge you will face if you want to change your job. Even when the market is going through this phenomena of the great resignation. I quit my job in 2015, and by that time, I had an experience of more than 19 years in the IT industry. So I thought it was going to be a cakewalk for me. I was easily, I will easily apply for companies online. Companies will compete with each other to hire me, and finally, I'll get a better job with better income. Nothing of that sort happened. Even after 60 days and 400 application, I was not shortlisted for any single company. Then I met a friend, and the friend told me that Amit, don't look for jobs online. He showed me a method of finding a job that I was always using in my career. This method has worked for me for several times, but for some reason I was ignoring this method and not trying it this time because I thought I was in Australia and I was thinking the best way to find a job here is to go through online job portals. As soon as I started using the same method that I had used to find each one of my jobs, I immediately found a job. Not only did I find a job, but I also increased my income, got to work on a very good project, and the most important part was stability. I had landed a job which was stable for me to continue living in Sydney and Australia. If you want to take advantage of this great resignation that is happening right now, whatever is your situation, maybe you feel you don't have the right job, maybe your compensation is too low, maybe you are looking to increase your impact within the industry. Whatever is your reason to find a new job, but you are struggling, then I have something for you. Here is what I have got for you. Recently, I started a Facebook group called the Career Seekers. This group is for people who want to find out how they can change their job without going through the struggles of online job posting. Or if you already are in a job, then how to do your job in such a way that you become an A player in your company, so that everyone who joins this community can take their careers to the next level. I invite you to join this Facebook group called the Career Seekers. If you want to take your career to the next level, then in this group we will discuss about how to change your job and also about how to do your job really well. Here is what you will need to do. I have a link in the description or the pinned comment where you can find this community. And to join this community, you will have to answer 3 questions. Please see that only people who can answer all the 3 questions satisfactorily will get added to the community. When you join, you can look at the free training that is available in the community, and also you can interact with the people in the community. So join the Career Seekers community. It is completely free to you. There is no charge whatsoever to join the community except for the 3 questions. Coming back to the great resignation, whether you join the Career Seekers community or not, remember that just like I explained in the talent war of 2021, this is a great opportunity if you are working in the IT industry. If you're not happy with your current job or your current compensation, then you can certainly look for a better job. Or you can even get a higher paying job within your own company. One thing of caution, please do not resign from your job because everyone is doing it. If you do not have a proper vision and a plan to follow, then this can become one of your big failures if you just resign. So, whatever you do it responsibly. If you join the Career Seekers community, I'll be delighted to connect with you. And for all those who are still watching this video, like this video and share this video with your friends. Those of you who are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Check this video about Talent War 2021. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.